My name is Alexei Mikhailov. I'm a founder and a president of Bering Yachts. I was in search of just a reliable boat, the boat which I can trust with my life. Couldn't find any. I started building boat for myself without thinking of business. It was more like a hobby, so it's how it's all started. We are now in one of our shops, 6 sheds we have here in Antalya Free Zone. We are building boats in steel aluminum from 65 to 145 feet, capable of going like 9,000 plus miles. Bering 92, the boat we're gonna send to a maiden voyage, it's a custom project. You will find this boat look like a yacht. However, it's a full-blown explorer. Very distinctive architecture. It's a very spacious boat. 5 very well-appointed staterooms, good accommodation for crew of 4, cruise speed of 9 knots, and the range of 5,000 miles. It's a true explorer, can cross any ocean. That's the Bering 92. Usually we recommend to do a maiden voyage. It's a real in vicinity of 1,000 miles, 150 hours journey. We usually find some, like leaks, malfunctions, like something which destined to break is breaking. And so usually after this voyage, coming back to the marina close to the yard, the same workers who build this boat is taking care of these minor things, and then the boat good to go. We need to put 1,000 miles. Basically, it doesn't matter where the boat goes, considering the weather in December in Eastern Mediterranean, it's gonna be a really good shakedown cruise. I would like to get to Manimvasia. Exactly 20 years ago, I've been there, and I found something there. I will show you later. Okay, good journey to us. What do I expect? I never travel in December, and I've heard that it could be miserable. So we will see it and experience a newborn baby, how she developed her relationship with sea, how she will behave. That's pretty much it. It will be an adventure, definitely. The departure is always excitement. It's always adrenaline, especially it's a brand new boat. We basically departed from the shipyard. It's a maiden voyage. The boat has less than 30 hours when we departed. So it means it's absolutely virgin boat. We're in the city of Alanya. It's a fortress city, used to be a fortress city, and now it's a big touristic place. We decided to stop here and make some filming, and it's a good break. We're about halfway. And I would like to introduce Christina. She is the head of our product department, and she is in development of interiors, exteriors, and all the guts of this boat. I firmly believe that people who create the boats, who build the boats, people who do sales, who do marketing, who do product development, they got to be on the boat to see how their product perform in real sea condition.
Exactly. You cannot feel this all when you are sitting in the office. How you can know how it will work, how it will feel, how you will use this.
We're planning in this journey accompanied with our sales and marketing people so that they will understand how the boat behave. I hope we'll get rough weather so they will feel how the boat behave in a real sea condition. And We are on one of the towers of this magnificent castle. So this is a historic place. The excavations found some Roman time ruins here, and then it was a fortress during the Byzantine time, mainly to fight pirates. Old Kilikia province is next to it, and they are notorious pirates of the Mediterranean of that time. No railing here. It's about 30 feet drop behind us. The liability is incredible. Anyway, what impresses me, this is standing for thousands of years of wars, earthquakes. It's holding itself. It's still a stronghold. It's never been destroyed, apparently, you know.
It is because nobody knows that here in this small town you can find such a historical place, such a big castle.
How long you live in Turkey?
For 12 years.
I'm living 9 years. I never been here.
Me
I never
too.
knew it exists. Kekova is my favorite place. That's the closest destination. It's very special. It's a lot of ruins, and we spent 3 months during the COVID there, so we know every corner of this place. Especially it's very close to St. Nicholas and Myra. It was a very good choice for the first stop. We just arrived to Kekova. We docked in front of our favorite restaurant. So this is a historic city, by the way. This the old name of it, Teymusa. Nobody calling it Teymusa anymore, but officially it's Teymusa. Still a very, very, very beautiful place. And then big earthquake destroyed a lot here. So now we're getting close to an old cemetery. This is the 2,000 years old sarcophagus. The very distinctive look of turned upside down boat, which will carry you to the afterlife. So they were sea people, and it's reflected in their burial culture. We will walk the streets of this village, or any village. It's ruins, it's some sort of gates to, you go in the little streets and then you see monumental gate to where? You don't know what was behind this gate, but it's still, and then you see some things like some cistern down below, like reservoir for the water, and then you see a sarcophagus in the corner of somebody's property. Today and up to 3,000 years ago, it all mixed together, people living in it today and using the same, structures as a part of their houses, fences. It's amazing to me. We barely remember 3 generations and feel like, wow, we're doing great. But they can count back much, much longer. So. And sometimes it's better to reach destinations by Haisuket. The range of Haisuket is close to 200 miles. It's a good feeling. It's a great feeling of speed, especially in comparison with slow motion Bering. You jump in this light and swift craft and you fly. Wow, quite a setting here. Damn, I really like one little tiny harbor here. We can walk there. Günaydın. This is my favorite place. It's like a little fairy tale here. Yeah, it's all in some harbors. They sunk a little bit after the earthquake, like 1 meter, 1.5. This is an old Roman time seawall. So that was the pier, and now you see it submerged. So you see it sunk at least 1 meter, at least. It's absolutely stunning here. One night separated us from our chaos in the office, but this is off season. We shouldn't be here. No one should be here. It's all for us now. I love this place, but the St. Nicholas Church is a very sacred place to me. I think the St. Nicholas is my protector and my helper in my journeys. And to know that he was living and working here and was buried here, so it's given me a great inspiration, and I frequently visit this site. So we've just been in St. Nicholas Church, and now we are in the structure which was built 500 years before St. Nicholas' time. You see why it's Greek and Roman, because the Greeks, they use only landscape to build it. And also the stage was really tall. So when you're sitting here, you don't see far away. So it's Roman theater. In a Greek theater, because things were slow, you usually enjoy the scenery. So here you only see the stage. Many theaters here in Asia Minor, they have capability of being filled with water. It's expensive. They build special fleet, gladiators, fights on the boats. It was often performed for big celebrations. They lived for this. So now people still live in these ruins. Basically, they keep on living there. And it's all coexists in peace. They don't destroy it any further. They kind of protect it. It's their part of their fence, part of their home structure. Amazing. I like how Turkey relates to history.
20 years ago, I was on vacation. We just traveled with no plans. We came to Manimvasi and fall in love with this place. And I found a cave there, but it was a little temple. It was an icon of a saint. This fellow looked like me. I was scared. It was kind of shivering. I had a fishing operation in Maiden, and it's a pretty rough sea. You all probably watched Deadliest Catch. So it's a minor version of what we had there. I probably pray more than ever. It's a lot of depends on your luck, and fishermen are all superstitious, and they all firm believers in something. So I was preaching to St. Nicholas a lot. So, and when I found this icon, which resembles my face, I felt like it's a sign. It's a sign of something good. That's it. So now we're heading to Manimvasi. For me, it's somehow very interesting to be and see how I feel about this place 20 years past.